Hi, my name's Amy Smith, and I am fortunate to be a Lensbaby ambassador, and I am here today to share with you my favorite Lensbaby lens, which is the Edge Optic. It is something that goes hand in hand with the Composer Pro 2. The Composer Pro is an adapter that goes onto the body of your camera, and it will then receive various optics such as the Edge or the Suite and so forth. I happen to have the Edge 35, the Edge 50, as well as the Edge 80. So you can tell I really enjoy the Edge optic. So just the focal length depends on what you're shooting. The optic itself, what an Edge offers is a slice of focus. Depending on how wide or narrow you choose for your aperture, that slice of focus will be accordingly narrow or wide. I personally, when I'm using an Edge optic, I like to shoot live view simply because it gives me a much better visual of where that slice of focus is, especially when I'm shooting wide. What the Composer Pro allows you to do is to move that slice of focus on a horizontal plane by moving the Composer Pro. It's kind of like on a ball bearing, if you can see that move, or on a vertical plane, or on a diagonal plane. It just completely is up to you and where your subject that you want in focus is. I personally love these optics shooting kind of environmental or landscape shots and focusing on some small details like a road or in a cityscape and down at the people or the cars, and it creates a miniature effect, and I just adore that effect. That's one of my very favorite things about the Edge optic. So say there's a road that's going kind of diagonally, you can move the optic into a diagonal position, and then you fine tune with the focus ring where that focus slice falls, and you put that right on that road or whatever it is that you're trying to focus on. Anyway, those are a few of the reasons I really love the Edge. It gives just such a really cool perspective, just like any of the Lensbaby products, a whole new way of seeing things, seeing in a new way. I encourage you to try, I know there's so many of them and there's so many different effects, to find the one that you love and gravitate toward and go for that. Another thing that the Edge creates is a really nice, interesting flare. If the sun is backlighting or in your frame, you'll get a really cool flare. So that's another feature that's kind of cool about the Edge. So I will share some images and the pullbacks of me taking some of those images with the Edge, and hopefully that will just give some ideas to you and maybe some insight as to how I use and enjoy these optics so much. Thanks for watching and have a great day.